Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be talking about how you can use the trim function within Excel, which is essentially just going to get rid of unnecessary spaces. Alright, and this function is incredibly useful when dealing with large lists of data. For this example, we're just going to use the small list of colors. We have green, red, blue, and yellow throughout the list, right? So let's say that we wanted to count how many greens there were. We could just do a simple COUNTIF function to figure out how many greens there were. Obviously, with this small list, we could count them. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But if there's huge lists, maybe we want to use a view. Maybe we would want to use a VLOOKUP or a COUNTIF. So here we have our range. And the criteria is that we wanted to count all the greens. So then it says that there are 3. But as we counted before, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this can be a huge issue with large sets of data. So if we click on one of these greens, we can see that there is a space right here. So if we delete that space, then the number is going to go up to 4. Because it's looking for green without the space. The issue is that if we have a large set of data, we're not going to manually go through every single cell to figure out which ones have spaces after the word. So we can use a quick trim function that's going to fix that for us. We'll just select the cell we want to trim, and then we can just create a new list. So that way when we drag the formula across, we'll have it count this range. Then our answer was going to be correct. It's going to be 5 because it's automatically going to get rid of each one of those spaces before the word. So that is just super useful in making sure all your data is the same, trimming it down, making sure there's no unneeded spaces or anything like that that could mess up some formulas that you have in your workbooks. And this is just a super easy to understand formula, saving you a lot of time and headache in the future. Hope you appreciated that video. Please subscribe, smash the like button. I appreciate it so much. Thank you, and have a great rest of your day.